Simple way to make virgin coconut oil for your baby's skin and hair. Benefits of coconut oil for baby's skin. 1. Moisturizes dry skin. Deeply hydrates and softens delicate skin. Ideal for flaky newborn skin or dry patches. 2. Natural antibacterial and antifungal. Helps prevent diaper rash, eczema, and minor infections. Soothes itchy or irritated areas. 3. Safe for sensitive skin. 100% natural and chemical-free. No added fragrance or irritants. 4. Gentle massage oil. Relaxes your baby and improves blood circulation. Strengthens bonding during massage. 5. Protects against mild skin damage. Acts as a light barrier against dryness or sun exposure. Contains antioxidants that support healing. Perfect for baby massage. Calming, gentle, and chemical-free.